Hello. Welcome to my channel. Hope you are having a great day.
Today, I'm going to share some valuable insights and tips to help you maximize your earnings from passive income apps like Honeygain, EarnApp, EarnFM, Repocket, PacketShare, PacketStream, and others from the list in the description below. These apps allow you to make money effortlessly by utilizing your spare internet bandwidth and mobile data. So, let's dive in. First things first. Make sure you have multiple devices running these apps using the same account. Most of these passive income apps and software support multiple platforms and operating systems. You can use your computer, smartphone, and tablet simultaneously. The more devices you have, the more potential for earnings. A stable internet connection is a must. If your internet is unstable or disconnects frequently, it can affect your earnings. Consider subscribing to a good and stable internet service provider, investing in a high-quality router, and ensuring that the devices running these passive income applications have a strong Wi-Fi signal, or are connected to an Ethernet port on the router. Using a 5 GHz router with gigabit Ethernet ports is advisable. For apps running on mobile devices, I would strongly recommend a mobile that has 5G or 4G capability. Opt for a mobile service provider who provides a strong and stable network and preferably unlimited mobile data. These will ensure your connection remains reliable and help maximize your earnings. You mustn't connect multiple devices to the same network. Have different devices connected to different networks to maximize your earnings. These passive income apps work through residential IP addresses, and when there are multiple devices on the same network, they recognize only one of them. Some of these apps like Honeygain, Pawns, and PacketStream will even show you an error stating that there are multiple devices on the same IP. Also, some of these apps do not work on public networks like at an airport or hotel. So, it is best not to connect to those networks. Apps like Honeygain offer referral programs. Share your referral code with friends and family, and you'll earn a percentage of their earnings, while they too earn. It's a fantastic way to boost your income without much effort. Keep your passive income application up to date with the latest updates. Developers frequently release updates to improve performance, add new features, and increase your earnings potential. So, make sure you're using the latest version. Monitor your data usage on these passive income apps. This helps you understand how much data you're sharing and ensures it doesn't interfere with your regular internet usage, which in my opinion is highly unlikely due to the way these apps work. Set the passive income app to start automatically when you boot up your devices. This way, you won't miss out on any potential earnings. Most passive income apps discourage the use of VPNs. Thus, to protect your data and privacy and to be secure, I recommend that you use an isolated low-power device like Intel NUC or Raspberry Pi to run these apps. This method will also increase your earnings and provide an excellent power-to-profit ratio. I run these passive income apps on a dedicated device that is isolated from the rest of my network. Be strategic about when you cash out your earnings. Sometimes, waiting for a larger payout can be more beneficial due to transaction fees. Balance convenience with maximizing your income. Remember that some of these passive income apps have a minimum cash-out limit. So, once you cash out, you would need to reach this limit again before you can withdraw your earnings. I would generally wait till I have a significant balance before I cash out. So, there you have it, some best practices and tips to make the most of your earnings from passive income apps like Honeygain. Remember to optimize your device setup, maintain a stable internet connection, and explore the referral program. Keep your app updated, understand your data usage, and consider using a dedicated low-powered system for added security. And always be strategic about when you cash out your earnings. With these tips and tricks, you can enjoy a steady stream of passive income. Thanks for watching, and happy earning! I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more passive income videos and guides. Click the notification icon to be informed every time I post a new video. You can also bookmark my website, the link for which is provided in the video description. See you in the next one soon.